Hello, in this video we are integrating the natural logarithm of x with respect to x. So to integrate ln x, we have to use integration by parts, and our formula for integration by parts is the integral of u dv equals to uv minus the integral of v du. So in this case, we are going to let our u to be the natural logarithm of x and our dv to be dx. So differentiating this, we shall get du equals to 1 over x dx, and integrating this, we shall get v equals to x. And now substituting into our formula, the integral of ln x dx equals to u v. U is ln x times v, which is x, minus the integral of v, which is x, times du. Du is 1 over x dx. And that gives us x ln x minus the integral of 1 dx, which gives us x ln x minus x, then plus c. So this is our answer to the integral of ln x dx. Thank you.